नमस्कार, म अम्बिका हाङबाङको अंग्रेजी सिके रेडियो कार्यक्रममा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत गर्छु। चैत्र 11 गते त देश लकडाउनमा छ। आज पनि रेडियोको माध्यमबाट शिक्षा लिन दिने उद्देश्यका साथ उपस्थित भइसकेका छौँ, हैन? विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनी हो, अब रेडियो सेटको नजिक आउनुहोस् है। यो अंग्रेजी सिके रेडियो कार्यक्रम हरेक दिन यसै समयमा रेडियो ताप्लेजुङ 94 मेगाहर्ज र रेडियो 18 101.2 मेगाहर्जमा सुन्न सक्नुहुनेछ। साथै युट्युब च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गरेर हेर्न वा सुन्न पनि सक्नुहुनेछ। नोटबुक, कलम, पाठ्यपुस्तक र रेकर्ड गर्न मिल्ने सामग्री तयारी अवस्थामा पक्कै राख्नुभएकै होला, होइन? यदि छैन भने तयार गर्दै गर्नुहोस् ल। आजको बसाइमा अनिवार्य अंग्रेजी विषय अन्तर्गत कक्षा 12 को मिनिङ इन्टु वर्ड्स को युनिट 11 मा पढाइ हुने इभेन्ट इन सिक्वेन्सेस को बारेमा चर्चा गर्नेछौँ। विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू तयार हुनुहुन्छ हैन? आजको प्रस्तुतिका झलकहरू।
The exercises through simple past tense.
We have been learning it since early grade. When plus first action, simple past tense.
विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू ढिला नगरी आजको बसाइ उठान गरिहालौँ। प्रस्तुति सहित आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ चेतन भट्टराई। ल त अब कक्षा कोठामै प्रवेश गरौँ, हुन्छ हैन?
Hi students, how are you? I'm sure you are fine. It's me, Mr. Chetan Bhattrai. As usual, today I am here to facilitate you Unit 11, Meaning into Words, a book of compulsory English from grade 12. The topic is Event in Sequences. EVENT, Event, ENCES, Sequences. 5 marks grammar questions are frequently asked in the board exam, where each question carries 1 marks from this unit. भाइ बहिनीहरू, आज म कक्षा 12 को मिनिङ इन्टु वर्ड्स पुस्तक अन्तर्गत पर्ने युनिट 11 टपिक इभेन्ट इन सिक्वेन्सेस को सहजीकरण गर्न तपाईहरू समक्ष उपस्थित भइसकेको छु। परीक्षाको दृष्टिकोणले यस लेसनको ग्रामर पर्सनबाट धेरै जसो एउटा प्रश्नको 1 मार्क्सको दरले 5 मार्क्सको लागि 5 वटा प्रश्नहरू सोध्ने गरेको पाइएको छ। भाइ बहिनीहरू रेडियो सुन्दै हुनुहुन्छ हैन त? Dear students, let's turn on page number 105. Event in Sequences. EVENT, event, IN, in, SEQUENCES, sequences. 11.1 When, WHEN, when. But before entering into the text, can you tell me a sentence in simple past tense?
Yes, sir. He saw an elephant.
You are absolutely right. Its structure is subject plus verb to plus object. Now, tell me the next sentence using past perfect tense.
Yes, sir. He had seen an elephant.
Good. Its structure is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Okay, in this exercise, especially we are going to learn the exercises through simple past tense and past perfect tense. I am sure that you have already known about simple past tense and past perfect tense. Am I right?
Yes, sir. We have been learning it since early grade.
Okay, I want you to listen a story. Are you ready?
We are ready, sir.
Okay, listen the first story. Richard opened a cupboard. He saw a spider. He screamed. His mother heard him. She ran into the room. He told her about the spider. She couldn't help laughing. Okay, did you listen the story?
Yes, sir.
When Richard opened the cupboard, he saw a spider. When he saw a spider, he screamed. When he screamed, his mother heard him. When his mother heard him, she ran into the room. When she ran into the room, he told her about the spider. When he told her about the spider, she couldn't help laughing.
Sir, I couldn't understand what you told.
Okay, this story is the series of events that happen almost at the same time. It is specially used to describe a reaction to an event. That means we use when, W-H-E-N, when plus first action in simple past tense. After that, put comma, plus we should write second action in simple past tense in this situation. Did you get my point?
सर, यसको मतलब कुनै पनि विगतमा भएको दुईवटा इभेन्टलाई जोड्नु पर्यो भने दुईवटा इभेन्ट लगभग सँगसँगै भएको थियो अथवा पहिलो घटनाको प्रतिक्रिया स्वरूप दोस्रो घटना भएको थियो भनेर देखाउन when प्लस फर्स्ट एक्सन सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्समा र कमाको प्रयोग गरेर सेकेन्ड एक्सन पनि सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्समै लेख्नु पर्दो रहेछ, होइन त सर?
Yes, you are right. Okay, now listen the next story. Richard's mother gave him his supper. Then she tucked him into bed. Then she read him a story. Then she kissed him good night. Then she put out the light. Then she went downstairs. Then he started crying. Did you listen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When Richard's mother had given him his supper, she tucked him into his bed. When she had tucked him into bed, she read him a story. When she had read him a story, she kissed him good night. When she had kissed him good night, she put out the light. When she had put out the light, she went downstairs. When she had gone downstairs, he started crying.
Did you understand?
It's rather hard for me. Would you help us clarifying it?
Okay. This story, or the second story, is the series of events that happen one after the other, or one finishes before the other begins. In this situation, we should write when plus first action in past perfect tense and use comma. After that, second action in simple past tense.
सर, यसको मतलब विगतमा एउटा काम सकिएर अर्को काम भएको देखाउनको लागि when प्लस फर्स्ट एक्सन पास्ट पर्फेक्ट टेन्समा र कमा दिएर सेकेन्ड एक्सन सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्समा लेख्नु पर्दो रहेछ, होइन त सर?
Yes, you are absolutely right. Now, let's start the exercise. Page number 105, 11.1. Now, change the following sentences using when, W-H-E-N, when, instead of A and D and or B-U-T, but. Okay, I want you to copy down exercise number 1 and 2. Okay, if you don't have book, please write down.
It's okay, sir.
Now, number 1, she peeled, P-E-E-L-E-D, peeled the banana and gave it to the baby. Full stop. Number 2, I looked, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. I looked in the fridge, F-R-I-D-G-E, fridge, and found, F-O-U-N-D, found some sausage, S-A-U-S-A-G-E-S, sausages. I looked in the fridge and found some sausages. Can you find out the differences between these two sentences?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. First of all, the first sentence, she peeled the banana and gave it to the baby. Which is the first action?
She peeled the banana is the first action, sir.
And the second action?
Gave it to the baby is the second action, sir.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Here, she peeled the banana is the first action and gave it to the baby is the second action. Here, one action finishes and begins the other. That means here are two separable actions. First, she peeled the banana and after that, she gave it to the baby. That means second action is not the reaction of first action. In such situation, first action should begin with when, W-H-E-N, when, and it is to be written in past perfect tense.
That means when she had peeled the banana. After that, sir?
After that, write the second action in simple past tense using the suitable subject.
That means when she had peeled the banana, she gave it to the baby. Am I right, sir?
Yes, absolutely. But never forget to cancel A and D and but but of the statement and put comma just after the first action.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go to number 2. I looked in the fridge and found some sausages.
Sir, in this sentence, I looked in the fridge is the first action and found some sausages is the second action.
Yes, you are right. In this sentence, both actions happen almost at the same time, or they are inseparable, or second action happens because of the reaction of the first action. So, in this situation, we should use when plus first action in simple past tense. After that, put comma, and after that, second action is also in simple past tense. Here also, never forget to cancel the conjunctions like and, a and the and but, but of the statement.
Sir, that means when I looked in the fridge, I found some sausages. Am I right?
Absolutely. But never forget to put comma after the first action.
सर, यसको मतलब यस एक्सरसाइजमा दुई प्रकारका सेन्टेन्सहरू छन्। नम्बर 1, दुईवटा एक्सन जसमा फर्स्ट एक्सन सकिएपछि सेकेन्ड एक्सन सुरु हुन्छ। जस्तै she had peeled the banana and she gave it to the baby. यसमा केराको बोक्रा तास्ने काम सकिएपछि मात्र केरा बच्चालाई दिने काम भएको छ। यसको मतलब फर्स्ट एक्सन सकिएपछि सेकेन्ड एक्सन सुरु भएको छ। त्यसैले when प्लस फर्स्ट एक्सन पास्ट पर्फेक्ट टेन्समा र कमा दिएर सेकेन्ड एक्सन सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्समा लेखियो। त्यसैले when she had peeled the banana, she gave it to the baby भयो।
You are absolutely right. Okay, listen very carefully. Past perfect tense is the past tense of the past tense. Here, second action is in past tense and first action happened before the past second action. That means first action is the past of the second action. So, first action is written in past perfect tense. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir. It is the new idea for me to conceptualize this exercise.
Okay, go ahead. Number 2.
Sir, number 2, I looked in the fridge and found some sausages. यो दोस्रो सेन्टेन्समा फ्रिज भित्र हेर्ने काम फर्स्ट एक्सन र ससेजेस देख्ने काम सेकेन्ड एक्सन एकै साथ भएको छ। अर्थात् फर्स्ट एक्सनको रिएक्सन स्वरूप सेकेन्ड एक्सन भएको हो। यी दुई एक्सनहरू इन्सेपरेबल छन्। त्यसैले यस्तो अवस्थामा when प्लस फर्स्ट एक्सन सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्समा र कमाको प्रयोग गरेर सेकेन्ड एक्सन पनि सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्समै लेख्नुपर्छ। त्यसैले when I looked in the fridge, I found some sausages भयो।
You are absolutely right. भाइ बहिनीहरू, यस्तो अवस्थामा कन्जक्सन एएनडी एन्ड र बीयूटी बट लाई हटाउन चाहिँ बिर्सनु हुँदैन नि। र सेकेन्ड एक्सनमा सुइटेबल सब्जेक्ट पनि राख्नुपर्छ है। डिड यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड?
Yes, we understood, sir.
Okay, now number 3. The security man searched, SEARCHED, searched our hand baggage, HAND, hand, BAGGAGE, hand baggage, and we boarded the plane.
The security man searched our hand baggage and we boarded the plane. Here, two actions happened one after another. So, its answer is, when the security man had searched our hand baggage, we boarded the plane.
You are absolutely right. यस सेन्टेन्समा द सेक्युरिटी मैन सर्च्ड आवर ह्यान्ड ब्यागेज यो फर्स्ट एक्सन हो। त्यसपछि वी बोर्डेड द प्लेन सेकेन्ड एक्सन हो। यहाँ फर्स्ट एक्सन सकिएपछि मात्र सेकेन्ड एक्सनको सुरुवात भएको छ, अथवा सेक्युरिटी म्यानले ह्यान्ड ब्यागेज सर्च गर्ने काम भइसकेपछि मात्रै के भएको छ, वी बोर्डेड द प्लेन, हामी प्लेनमा बोर्ड भएका छौँ। त्यसैले यस्तो अवस्थामा व्हेन प्लस फर्स्ट एक्सन पास्ट पर्फेक्ट टेन्स र सेकेन्ड एक्सन सिम्पल पास्टमा लेख्नुपर्छ।
सर, यसको लागि जम्मा 2वटा स्ट्रक्चर सम्झिनु पर्ने रहेछ। पहिलो स्ट्रक्चर व्हेन प्लस फर्स्ट एक्सन सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्समा र कमा दिएर सेकेन्ड एक्सन पनि सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्समा, यो चाहिँ इन्सेपरेबल एक्सनको लागि। र दोस्रो स्ट्रक्चर व्हेन प्लस फर्स्ट एक्सन पास्ट पर्फेक्ट टेन्समा र कमा दिएर सेकेन्ड एक्सन सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्समा, यो चाहिँ सेपरेबल एक्सनको लागि। होइन त सर?
Good. Now, number 4. He kicked the dog and it barked. He, K-I-C-K-E-D, kicked the D-O-G, dog, and it, I-T, B-A-R-K-E-D, barked.
Sir, in this sentence, second action is the reaction of first action. So, its answer is, when he kicked the dog, it barked.
Yes, you are absolutely right. He kicked the dog and it barked. यहाँ कुकुरलाई हिर्काउने काम पहिलो एक्सन हो र कुकुर भुक्ने काम सेकेन्ड एक्सन हो, र यसमा कुकुरलाई हिर्काएको रिएक्सन स्वरूप कुकुर भुकेको छ। त्यसैले यहाँ सेकेन्ड एक्सन इज द रिएक्सन अफ फर्स्ट एक्सन। यस्तो सिचुएसनमा व्हेन प्लस फर्स्ट एक्सन इन सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्स प्लस सेकेन्ड एक्सन also in simple past tense. Now, question number 5. I went to the duty-free shop and bought a carton of gaulosis.
Sir, here, when first action finishes, the second action begins. So, its answer is, when I had gone to duty-free shop, I bought a carton of gaulosis.
You are absolutely right, my genius student. Now, question number 6. The plane took off and the stewardess came round with orange juice.
Sir, in this sentence also, second action happens after the first action finishes. So, its answer is, when the plane had taken off, the stewardess came round with orange juice.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Okay, at last, let me give you some exercises for practice as homework. Okay, write down please. It's in page number 105 from number 7 to 11. Okay, number 7. He drank the coffee and asked for another another cup. He drank, he drank, drank, the coffee, coffee, and asked for another another cup. Number 8. I paid, paid. I paid my bill, bill, and left the restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. Okay, number 9. He put, put his, his foot, foot on the brake, brake, but nothing, nothing happened, happened. Similarly, number 10. I read, read the letter, letter, and threw, threw it, into the waste paper, wastepapr, waste paper basket, basket. I read the letter and threw it into the waste paper basket. At last, number 11. I read his autobiography, 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 and discovered, discovered what a strange person, strange person, person he had been, he had been. Okay, thank you students. I will come to discuss many more on Unit 11 in the next episode. Stay home, stay safe. Namaste.
चेतन भट्टराई सरलाई धन्यवाद। कार्यक्रम कस्तो लाग्यो त? आजको बसाई सिकैमूलक बनी होला। कार्यक्रम सुन्दै प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासा टिप्पणी गर्नुभयो कि होला? होइन त? प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासा अंग्रेजी सिके रेडियो कार्यक्रमको फेसबुक पेज @RADIOEDUCATIONSPF को इनबक्समा र RADIOPROGRAMSPF@gmail.com मा पठाउन सक्नुहुनेछ। प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासाको समाधान सहित थप सिकाइको लागि भोलिको कार्यक्रममा पुनः भेट हुने नै छ। पठन पाठनको क्रममा कुनै जिज्ञासा भए निम्न ठेगानामा सम्पर्क गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। ठेगाना र सम्पर्क टिप्न तयार हुनुहोस् है। ह्युमेन प्र्याक्टिस फाउन्डेसन फुङलिङ नगरपालिका 4 ताप्लेजुङ। फोन नम्बर 024416047। हवस् त, आगामी अङ्कमा पुनः भेट हुनेछ। म अम्बिकाङबाङ बिदा हुन्छु। नमस्ते। अल्कोहलयुक्त सेनिटाइजरको प्रयोग गरौँ, भिडभाडमा नजाउँ, रेडियो सुनौँ र पढौँ। धन्यवाद।
IN in SEQUENCE